What is good, YouTube? Today I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing Kit PvP Part 3. So let's just get right into this game. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. XD. Alright, so yeah, let's start this game. Here, I'm just gotta do something difficult. Alright, so there, alright, so let's just get right into this gameplay. So let me get my kit. Okay, there we go. And there we go. And like see, look, I got some stuff, so I might use this. Dang, this is 8. Dang, this is strong, but I got some stuff. So yeah, let me just eat my. Oh, you already ate my golden apple. All right, so yeah, I have 166 deaths. That's bad. So yeah, I know who exactly. Dang, why is I'm lagging a bit? I'm lagging a bit. Alright, let me eat a gapple. I'm helping this guy. Dang it! Dang it! Let me escape. No. Don't. Alright, escape. Who should we go for? I'm going for this. Oh, GG. I told you I'm bad. I will start streaming if y'all want me to, so yeah. Just stay tuned. I keep dropping my sword. God, bro. See? Can I eat? Alright. I'm getting this guy. This is my kill, bro. This is my kill. Ah, no. No. Run. Alright, there we go. Why are people just going up butt naked? As you can see, I'm in a battle. Why would you kill me? Let's try to go right here. Actually, no. Alright, I'm gonna click as fast as I can. Easy money. I'm clicking as fast as I can. What? Bro, I just rage. I rage hardcore. I can't kill him. I'm not gonna even try. Alright, there we go. You're the one that killed me. You're the one that dies. Again, she kills me. No, I think it was a diamond guy. Ew, bro, this guy's lagging like crazy. Alright, this is an easy. Bam. Whoa, oh, that's my kill, bro. I can't even see, bro. Oh, there goes the guy. There we go. Got him. Let's go, bro. I need a gapple. No. No. Alright. Go. Get my armor. No, I don't want to get nothing from there. Alright. So, like, okay. Next video, I will be using, I'm going to show you what sword I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the stone sword, but I can only use it one time, so, it's going to be, at the end, so, yeah. Who should I get? This guy. Actually, yeah. CP Pro Gamer. Go. Die. Rip, he's dead. I think so. Oh, he didn't take damage. What? Let's go. Turn that around. Ah, GG, bro. GG, bro. I can't really click that fast, so yeah. Anyone chasing me? Oh crap. GG, I lost. There we go. I bet we're gonna win this. We're gonna get a kill. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get a kill. I got a kill. Bro, why do they have to like freaking double team me for no reason? Who wants to win? Alright. Diamond boots giveaway. Nope, no one wants to win. Okay. Alright, guess you don't want to win. It's okay. Should we? Why not? 1, 2. Actually, never mind. Because they're fighting really badly. Oh crap. Alright, oh, did I eat a gapple? I can't. Ah, dang it! Kind of wanted to go back in for some more. Dang it! GG. GG. Wait. Sub to www.et/trader. Really? Oh, what's it to say? Oh, you wanna go? Oh, you wanna go? Dang! I'm getting in that. I'm getting in that stuff. I'm getting in the battle. Oh. What? How could he hit me? Or how could he hit me from all the way over there? Alright, we're gonna do a challenge. Alright, so we're gonna be doing this screen. I bet we can win. And alright, I'm gonna get a kill on this. Ready? Let's go. Party like we want. I tried. I actually like playing this like this. Ah, there we go. Oh. Look behind you. Oh. GG. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And this is basically the end of the video, and I'm out. Peace.